Hello guys, so welcome back to my car and welcome to a brand new video. I heard that you wanted glowy skin, dewy skin, clean skin, smooth skin at an affordable price. And I hear you, okay? So today I'm going to take you with me. We're going to Target and I'm going to be sharing with you the best skincare products at the drugstore that actually work and that are worth your money. So grab your wallets, grab your cafecito, and get in, loser, because we're going shopping.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you.
If you're not already double cleansing, you definitely need to try the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup and Melting Cleansing Balm. This is going to remove every ounce of makeup, debris, anything that you have. Waterproof mascara. It is perfect for all skin types, and it's going to really hydrate the skin because of the hyaluronic acid and all the amazing ingredients. At only $11, you cannot go wrong. It is my absolute favorite. I use it every single night to remove my makeup, and it leaves it soft, glowy, and extremely hydrated. After double cleansing, we're going to wash our face. This is the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, specially made for oily skin. I have oily skin. I love this because it gently removes the dirt, excess oil, makeup, all while protecting your skin's natural barrier. This is $17.99, which is a little bit higher in price, but now they have refillable pouches, and this will literally last you forever. Now, if you are on a tighter budget, this one is exactly the same at only $13.99, and I love how gentle it is on my skin. Now, unfortunately, my Target was sold out of my current favorite face wash, but I'm using the Naturium Niacinamide Cleansing Gel.
The reason why I love it so much is because it contains niacinamide and it helps balance the oil and smooth skin. So if you're suffering from large pores and textured skin, I highly recommend this face wash. This last one is for all my girlies who suffer from acne, the CeraVe Renewing Essay Cleanser. Has salicylic acid and it'll exfoliate your skin while being gentle, and it'll remove any texture. Highly recommend. If there is one thing I want you to buy in today's video, is the Naturium Niacinamide Serum, 12% plus zinc with 2%. This stuff has literally changed my skin. If you suffer from dark spots, pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, this is such a great formula because it literally reduces the appearance of pores. I love this, and it's so hydrating and so gentle on the skin. If you want to elevate your skincare, you need to be adding vitamin C. This one right here from Vichy is my absolute favorite. It is a little bit pricey, but it is so worth it. I've tried other ones and they just don't compare to this one. This will boost collagen production, reduce dark spots, protect your skin against damage from free radicals. It also leaves the skin super glowy and super healthy. And I've just noticed a brighter skin and an even skin tone overall. Bringing it back to e.l.f., they actually sell some of my favorite moisturizers. They have a few. They have the Gelia moisturizer, they have their face cream, and then now they have a scent free, and now they have one with SPF. So this entire line is amazing. My personal favorite is the Gelia moisturizer because it is suited for oily skin tone. It contains squalane, which deeply hydrates the skin and it locks in the moisture. And then prickly pear is actually rich in antioxidants and vitamins, so it's going to soothe the skin and just give it a healthy complexion. I could not mention the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. This is such a good cream, you guys. If you suffer from extremely dry skin due to acne, I use that with my tretinoin and it has literally saved my life. So if your skin is chapped, I recommend this for the winter time. And with that note, I want to end with SPF, which is obviously one of the most important and crucial steps in your skincare routine. This one by La Roche-Posay is amazing if you have oily skin because it is ultra light. It has a little bit of pigment to it, so it'll like even out your skin tone. It is a little pricey, but I think it's really worth the money. If you suffer from excess oily skin like me, I highly recommend it. It's literally like watery. The e.l.f. also is amazing, okay? The Sun Touchable, all of them are really great. The only thing I would say is that these are not very oily skin friendly because they're a little thicker, but I love the glow. It gives such a beautiful luminosity to the skin. The best thing is that now they expanded their shade range, so they have a little bit more skin friendly or skin tone friendly products to suit almost any skin tone. and I love that. So elf, you cannot go wrong with them. And there you have it, you guys. Good skin doesn't have to be expensive. As you can see, these products are pretty affordable and they can fit almost any budget. And these are products that I have personally tried, so I know that they will work for you. My skin has looked the best it's ever looked. Look at that. It looks so smooth and so soft. I thought I was talking through this, but I think I forgot to turn on my mic. Not me being an airhead. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for coming with me. What are you going to add to your cart? Let me know what your favorite drugstore skincare product is. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.